Hi, and welcome to the rstWeb video demo. This is a demo for an interface to annotate rhetorical structure theory online in a server-based installation. There's also a local version that you can run on your own machine. And once you log in, this is the first thing you'll see, documents that you can open if you have a right to those, and there's also an admin button if you're an administrator, so I'll quickly show you this. Here you can create projects to group documents into. You can manage your documents by deleting them, exporting them, and also here importing them. And there are two different formats that you can import from, either rs3, which is the format of rstTool, or plain text in one elementary discourse unit per line. Here you can manage your users by assigning different annotation tasks to them, and some global settings such as turning annotation step logging on or off, and updating from earlier versions, and so on. And when you open a document, let me open an unannotated one. This is what it will look like if you import a plain text file without any annotations in it. And you can use one line per elementary discourse unit, or you can segment even more finely here in the segmentation mode. So for instance, this last sentence is rather long, so I'm going to try to cut that into pieces, maybe here after the semicolon. And here this, as far as the fragmentary nature of surviving source material allows, is probably a clause by itself. And I'm going to save that and return to structure mode. And now I have more elementary discourse units. So there were 9 and now there are 11. And now I'll try to connect some of them to show you how structuring works. So this group of 3 clauses is many neo-pagan religions such as Wicca use aspects of ancient Greek religion. Hellenistic polytheism instead focuses exclusively on ancient religion as far as the fragmentary nature of the surviving source material allows. So I think this might be a concession to this one as far as the material allows. So I'll connect them. It's kind of a drag and drop interface, change the relation to concession. And these two together stand in contrast to the fact that other neo-pagan religions are different, such as Wicca. And I'm going to group these two by adding a span above them, which is what this span button does here, the one shaped like a T. And I can undo that by hitting the X button to unlink them. Okay, so X always unlinks. Let me just reconnect those because I was actually happy with that. And group these two together using the T button. And if you want multi-nuclear relations, such as contrast, which are symmetrical, you use the multi-nuke button, which looks like kind of a symmetrical split. And then I can connect these two together. And then I'll get the contrast between number 9 and the span covering 10 through 11 in kind of normal RST fashion. Okay, that's about all I have time for in a very short demo. You can basically continue connecting things. You can use undo and redo if you're unhappy with what you did, change the relation, change the connection, redo that. If you want to learn more about the tool, you can go to the link you see here for the server and just try out the demo for yourself, or of course read the paper for more details. Thank you.